Hello, welcome back. Well, you know what they say, if it's too good to be true, usually is. I thought these tabbing boards on these stringers might have been alright. So I just thought I might cut one off and have a look. They seemed solid. They didn't have any flex in them, but well, you'll see. So here we go. Gone down to paper. Now I think they've used, by the looks of it, 6mm ply. Obviously they just spray it on, do a half-assed job, and don't roll it in as well. But as they get up further, it gets less water rot in these. So plan is take all these boards up, well, paper pretty much now, and yeah, just lay, when I get the material, I'll just lay some 450 chop down and then laminate some Thermalite on top of the existing glass that's underneath the boards. I'll glass that all in, and then I think she'll be solid as. I'm gonna have to, I'll replace this pipe for the hydraulic steering and everything else that goes up into the center console. And I need to reinforce from here to there, and probably this gap as well, just so I have something to tie into, screw into actually, when I put the console in. Now this flat crowbar, my good friend, a chisel and a hammer, and the grinder for this. They'll be your friend on most demolitions, house or boat. I'm pretty sure I'll just take that out anyway. I'll keep it as a template for the bow. I haven't taken the bow screws, the toe bolts out yet, but hopefully it's all good. I've got to do a little bit more grinding along here, just to tie it in more when I do fiberglass it. I'm not too sure why they've left a gap here along all of it, but my guess is they're just, I don't know, just using bits that were lying around and put in there. But I'll take it right to the edge, seal it all up, and then that should be good to go for when I want to put the floor in. These holes in here, they did have rope. If you watched the previous, maybe the first video or something, there was rope in these holes. And then I'll just make some putty up, bog those, not bog them, but fiberglass putty, and then I'll tie them in, just one strip of fiberglass, and then possibly the outside as well. Got to patch this hole up from the old rod holder. I don't think I want a rod holder there, there's enough in the center console. What else have I done? That's all. I need to do a little bit more here, but that's ready for the transom now. I've contacted CCA down in Brizzy. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to go Thermalite. Redid my measurements, and it turns out that I was way off. I was just guessing, but it's I'll be able to laminate two 19mm sheets for the transom on the back out of the one sheet, so that'll be good. I'll be able to do the transom out of one sheet, and then once I've done that, I can start making real progress on this boat. So I thought, stuff it. While it's a bit cooler, bit of breeze around, I'll take these boards up and see what they've actually done. But a little bit of lamination here. It's actually stuck to the fiberglass here, which this was the worst one, but the bottom was stuck to the fiberglass, which was alright. Here, it's just peeled up. It was just coming up. The only reason why it didn't come up in one piece, because there's old screws coming through here. There's a bit of lamination here, you know, but nothing. So that's where I'm at. I'll cut all these off, back to the fiberglass here, grind all this down, grind all that down so it's nice and flush. I'll put a layer of 450 chop over it just to give it that extra strength before I do anything else on these. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'll just grind all this down, make it all nice and neat, so when I do get a chance, I will actually be able to just work straight on these and not mess around. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you later.